$165,000 in launch prices. Today I'm going to talk about how the launch with the biggest prices ever made in digital marketing industry is going. So stay tuned because you are part of the story. I am Eric Salgado and this is the 5 Minutes with the CEO.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
No way.
Hello Builderall stars, we are in the middle of the Builderall 4.0 launch with the biggest JV prices that the digital marketing industry has ever seen. And the launch is being a success, thanks to you who is part of this family and is working together with us to make history. And before we talk about the numbers of this launch, let me explain a little bit better about Builderall 4.0 and why we are doing a new launch. Builderall is the most complete and powerful digital marketing platform ever created, with more than 40 integrated professional tools. Putting a platform this size to work is not an easy task, and it requires a lot of development, a lot of tests, and a lot of work in the beta. So the Builderall 4.0 launch is actually a celebration of the intense work done over the last 5 years in beta mode. And we have left the beta mode now, and finally we are positioning ourselves as a solid platform, tested, proven, and approved by hundreds of thousands of customers, so you can trust your business. Today we are proud to say that Builderall is a solid, reliable, and bug-free platform. In addition of the new tools, applications, and upgrades, this release has the key point in the delivery of a platform that solves problems, not a platform that gives you problems. Proof of this is that unlike other platforms that make a big launch and take support to the collapse, Builderall is actually going through this launch with the support working normally without any peak of service. Our tool is so solid that even with a huge flood of sales and new users, our support continues to serve customers quickly and with total excellence. And yet, 90% of the calls are related to customers asking for help because they are trying to use the platform without watching the trainings or tutorials. And sometimes they find it easier to call support than search for a tutorial. Everything is good with the launch. Now let's talk about the numbers. During these first 15 days of launch, we registered more than 48,553 new users, with about 15% conversions on the Funnel Club plan. This is without a doubt the biggest and the most successful launch made by Builderall, and probably in the entire industry. And we are still only halfway through. Our top 3 affiliates ranked to win the cars sold more than 1,000 paid accounts together. All the success we attribute to the wonderful team of affiliates that work to promote Builderall, but also to the excellent quality of our tools. Because we are a marketing leading tool in terms of quality, our affiliates feel safe and comfortable to promote Builderall to their lists and audience. And in addition to that, we brought dozens of new features to this launch, and we kept our price unmatched. So my friends, when you put an excellent product with an incredible offer in the hands of extraordinary affiliates, success is the only way to go. Thanks again to the whole Builderall family and especially to our dear affiliates, and I will see you again on the next video. We are in the middle of the more than 40 integrated tools, more than 40 tools integrated in. So the Builderall 4.0 launch is actually a celebration of the intense work carried over the 5. And now we have left the beta mode, finally positioning ourselves as our support continues to serve customers quickly and with total excellence. Our tool is so solid that even with a huge flood quickly and with total excellence. Excellence.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand, It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video rap or capture they sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.